Hello interweb viewers, Doug here. Welcome to my channel. Here we'll be exploring and travelling Victoria random destinations each week. And joining us would be my motorbike, a Benelli 502X adventure bike. And together with you guys as well, we'll be also exploring things like this, learning a bit of history about it, and just admiring what beauties Victoria has. Here is Tower Hill. It's a extinct volcano. It's been extinct for between 34 to 38,000 years. And a bit of history is also Aboriginals have used to live here. Had some stones made out of greenstone for axe tips, and it's pretty cool. But the scene over here as well is amazing, and I love it. Bit of view, bit of history, and that's what my channel is all about. Peace, bye. Will I fit in this slide? Hopefully it's made for kids, but I consider myself as a kid. Whee! Come on, shoes! I am hungry and cold, and let's do some riding now. I'm at Crags now, and the scenery is amazing. Also has a bit of history behind it. Also, back in February the 15th of 1944, the 4 personnel on a plane of the Royal Australian Air Force lost their lives when trying to land a plane just off the coastline here, an island called Lady Julia Percy Island, and I'll show you a picture of it as well. They were trying to survey surveillance submarines, believed, and they sadly lost their lives. So a statue to remembering them, which is, I think, it's absolutely amazing and sweet. Cape Water Bridge now, and the scenery it just keeps on getting better and better. I started the trip from Warrnambool and I've travelled through where I'm at now. It's about 100 k's, and all through the area I went to Tower Hill, then to the Crags, to Yambuk Beach, and finally went here last night. It was super dark, couldn't see anything, so I came back today to show you guys on how amazing this place is. It doesn't look like Australia, or Melbourne, Victoria I should say. It looks like somewhere else, kind of, but still blows me away on how amazing Victoria is just to see and explore. I'm really impressed with this trip. I really hope you guys appreciate it as well, and I hope you guys follow me on the next chapter of my adventures next week. Cheers, peace. Watch the Tales of Sugar Coast tonight. All I can say is it's been an amazing journey for this week. Please thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Having more for next week. Cheers, thank you.